It's day 13 of our 2023 New Year's Challenge. Hey friends, it's Kate here. Thanks so much for joining me today. Now I am so excited for today's class. I have got a lovely Pilates Yoga Fusion class for you. Now, as a reminder, our theme for this week is finding joy in our movement and in our exercise in general. And truth be told, Pilates Yoga Fusion is exactly my style of working out. This is how I move on a daily basis. That combination of stretching and strengthening is exactly what my body loves to do. So I hope you enjoy this class. We don't need any props for it whatsoever. Just roll out your mat. Let's get started. We'll start at the top of our mat, fingertips dangling, ears lift high. Close the eyes to check in with yourself. How are you feeling today? Hopefully we're ready to move and feel happy. Smile. Flutter your eyes open. Big inhale, hands lift high. Exhale, flip the palms, press them down. This time, inhale, circle the arms forward. Exhale, press them down. It might feel awkward, but circle the arms backwards, up and over. Press them down. This time, chin to chest, bend your knees. Slowly forward fold. Nod the head yes. Shake it no. Roll yourself all the way up to standing. Inhale, hands lift nice and high. Grab hold of your right wrist, pull it up an inch or two taller, and then lean to your left for a beautiful side body stretch. Let that go. Same thing other side. Lift the wrist up, side body stretch to the right. Let it go. Flip the palms, push them all the way down. Again, chin to chest, bend the knees, roll down into your forward fold. A little sway of the hips side to side. A little nod of the head yes and no. And then slowly make your way all the way up to standing. From here, let's step our right foot back in a small little lunge. Feel free to bend both of the knees as deeply as you need to. Start to wrap the tummy in, lift out of the waist, guide both hands high. Pause here for a moment, stretching a little longer, a little taller, lifting up. Drop that down, step the opposite foot forward, opposite foot back. Arrive in your lovely crescent lunge on this side. Guiding up and out of the waist, knitting the ribs together, just enjoying that nice big stretch. Again, switch. Right foot forward, left foot back. Find your lunge, pause. A little different this time. Big inhale. If we can, exhale, take your hands all the way down to the ground. If you need to stay up, that's fine. If you can reach your foot further back and maybe dip the pelvis a little lower, that's great too. Maybe take a sway of your chest, your hips, letting your body kind of move and groove. Hold here for a moment, deeply bend your back knee and hop both feet together. Roll yourself up to standing. Take the right foot back, or the opposite if you did the other side, no big deal. Guide the hands up, big full inhale. Exhale, surround your foot with your hands. And then again, sink into that nice big lunge. Finding any movement that feels good. A little rock and roll forward and back or side to side. You are always welcome to do your own thing. And then again, pause, bend the back knee, hop the feet together, roll all the way up to standing. Big deep breath, both hands lift. Exhale, flip the palms, chin to chest, roll down. This time, we're coming into a tabletop. Drop down, hands and knees. No, you can always come to forearms if our wrists are sad. Belly button pulls up and in, broaden across the chest, and extend your right foot out and away. Grow long from the tip of your head through your body out to your toe, big inhale. Exhale, curl the knee in, reach it out. Exhale, curl the knee in, reach it out. One more, curl it in, Reach it out, pause. Open up across the chest, squeeze your thigh, reach your toe further away. Teeny tiny circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Last time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Take a big inhale. Flex your foot, touch it to the floor. Push the heel back for a nice deep stretch. Navel in, chest open. Slide your right leg in. Extend your left out and away. Hold there for a moment. Does it feel like you're arching your back to lift up your foot higher? It's not about the height of the leg. Instead, it's lifting the tummy in, broadening across the chest, squeezing your thigh a little harder. Tiny circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Last time. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Flex the foot, touch it to the floor. Sink the heel back for that nice big stretch. Pull both knees in towards one another. We're coming into a very small pigeon pose. Doesn't have to be the deepest thing ever. Slide your right knee to touch your right wrist and point your toe over to your left knee as you slide back into a little pigeon. If you're up a little higher, that's okay, no big deal. If you can, you might take a little rock side to side, kind of like we settled and rocked into our little crescent lunge a moment ago. You're always welcome to find freedom in your own body to move and groove as you see fit. Maybe lean over to your right side a little bit and guide your right leg and left leg together in an easy seat. Take a moment here, lift the ears higher, big inhale. Exhale, dip the chin to chest. Roll your right ear to right shoulder. Bring it back. Left ear to left shoulder. Bring it back. Take your hands to the mat, return to your tabletop. And we'll do our little pigeon other side. Left knee up, left toe to right knee, and scooch back. And again, we might just hold and settle here. You might take a little sway side to side, sinking your hips into the floor from one side to the other. And rather than again coming up the way we got in, you will lean to your left, circle your leg around. Now from here, take a moment again to sit up tall and straight and concentrate on that long, straight spine feeling. I want you to keep that as we now extend our left foot straight out in front of us. It's about as wide as the mat, and my right leg is touching my left thigh. It's almost like I'm pushing my foot into my thigh. Your toe can be pointed, flexed, or soft. Lift out of the waist though. Take the hands high over the head, stretch up to the ceiling. Bring the hands behind the head, clasp, poke the elbows wide, big inhale. Twist to your left. Look forward, twist to your right. Look forward, stretch the hands up. Look at your left leg and start to hinge and reach. Reach the fingers further away, take another breath, and then forward fold over your leg. Slide the body up. This time, take your right hand behind you. Push into the left hand to lift the hips up. Reach your fingers up as well, a little stargazer pose. You might circle the arm around here, just enjoying that movement. And then set your hips on the floor. Slide your left foot in, take your right foot out. And again, choke me, point and flex, soft, totally your call. Lift out of the waist, both hands guide up. Hands behind the head, elbows wide. Take a twist to your right. Look forward. Twist to your left. Look forward, both hands lift. Look towards your right leg and start to hinge. Stretch a little further away and then forward fold. Roll yourself up. This time I'm going to take my left hand behind my left hip. Push my hips up to the sky. Find that stargazer pose if it feels nice. You can move the arm. Set the hips on the floor and lie on your back. Imprint the spine, take your hands out and away, not quite in line with your shoulders, a little bit below so we can encourage our chest to open up. Take your right foot up to the sky. If there's a bend in the knee, that's okay. Push down into the floor with your left foot, flex and point your toe a few times. This time flex and pause, push the heel up, pull the navel in. Drop your heel all the way down to the ground, exhale, kick it up. Drop your foot all the way down, exhale, kick it up. 3 more down, exhale, lift. 2 more down, exhale, lift. Last one, lift, pause. Really stomp into the floor with your left foot. Don't let the left knee wiggle wobble. Slide your leg open to the right, exhale, bring it back. This is not important how far our leg opens to the side. What is important is keeping your left hip and your left shoulder connected to the mat. The leg opens, nothing in my body moves. One more time, open, bring it back, pause. Belly button in, chest open. We're going to make a half circle with our leg. Start by dropping it over to your right. Now swing it down away from the body. Exhale, lift it up. It's like we've put those two moves together. Open, drop the leg down and around, exhale, lift. Open, drop it down and around, exhale, lift. 3 and 2. Last one. And reverse. Heel goes down. We open out and around, exhale, close. Down, open out and around, exhale, close. For 3 and 2. Last one. Bring it back. Set the right foot on the floor. Take your left foot to the sky. Flex and point. Feel your low back touching the mat, your chest nice and open. Flex and hold. This time drop the heel, exhale, kick it up. Drop the heel, exhale, kick it up. 3 more down and up. 2 more down and up. Last one, lift, pause. Chest open, nose high. Be very mindful of your right side as you slide the leg open. Exhale, close. Slide the leg open. Exhale, close. 3 and 2. Last one. Beautiful. Now we put those two things together for our half circle. Leg opens, bring it down and around, exhale, lift. Leg opens, bring it down and around, exhale, lift. 3, really pay attention to your right knee. Are you letting it wiggle wobble? Keep it as still as possible. Last one in this direction, and now reverse. Down, open, exhale, pull. Down, open, exhale, pull. 3, 2, last one, all the way back. Beautiful. Bring both feet up to the sky. Squeeze the inner thighs together. If there's a bend in the knee, it's okay. From here, shoulders down, nose up. Toes are pointed for me right now. If you want to flex, that's awesome. Drop your right leg down to the ground as low as you can take it without arching the back. From here, we're going to scissor our legs back and forth for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull both legs together. Low back down, chest open. Drop the left leg down. Scissor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs together, navel and chest open. Right leg down again. Switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs back up. Last time, left down. Switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs up. Set both legs down. Lift up into your bridge. Hold. Shoulders relax. Nose points to the sky. Big inhale. Roll down to the ground. Take your hands over your head. Find that big, beautiful, long side body stretch. Keep the hands over your head as you once more lift the hips up. Lower all the way down to the ground. Heel toe your feet a little wider away. Hands can go wherever you want to. Knock the knees together for a moment, imprinting the spine. And then heel toe the feet towards one another, allowing your knees to open. If that feels uncomfortable to have feet together, knees apart, of course, adjust, modify for yourself. Take a few more breaths, giving your body permission to relax. Begin to wiggle the toes, the fingers. Stretch your hands and feet away from one another. And then roll to one side, pushing yourself up to a seat. As always, give yourself a pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. Thank you for joining me today. I cannot wait to see you again tomorrow.